these things are filled with loads of sugars and calories. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Oluchi here. So are you doing intermittent fasting and you're not seeing results, or perhaps you were seeing results and then suddenly you've plateaued? Yeah, I know how that feels. Anyway, I've got some reasons why this might just be happening to you. So sit back, relax, let's go through these reasons together. So one of the reasons why you may not be seeing results is because you're being inconsistent. This might just be as a result of you choosing the wrong kind of fast. So let's say you've never fasted before. You start fasting with the maybe 18-6 method or even 24 method. I mean, your body is not used to it, so that way you fall off and then you don't see results. So the best approach to this is to start gradually. Instead of just giving up, you can even start with the 12-12 plan or even the 14-10 plan, and if you can do it, you start with the 16-8 plan. Then eventually, if you get used to it and you want to push yourself a bit further, then you can increase it to 18 and then 24 plan. Another reason why you may not be seeing results is that you're overeating. So I know that we have the opinion that you can eat whatever you want to eat as long as you're doing intermittent fasting. It doesn't matter. But come on, you have to be sensible about it. The main reason why you started intermittent fasting is to reduce your calorie intake. So it makes no sense when you have your eating window, you start to take in all the calories that you avoided previously. So you have to be wise with your decision. You have to eat sensibly. Watch your portion. You don't have to overpile up your plate. I mean, you can even change your plate serving, because sometimes you think that you can finish a heap of food, a mountain of food, but when you take a little and you eat it and you drink some water or eat some fruit, you find out that you're satisfied. You actually didn't need that mountain of food. So another reason why you may not be seeing results while intermittent fasting is that you're drinking too many calories. So I know that yes, it's healthy for us to take juices, but most times we take the wrong kind of juices. We take especially the packet juice, because this packet juice, most of them are processed and most of them are filled with sugar and calories. Most times we think we're making healthy options, but these things are filled with loads of sugars and calories. You need to be checking out the nutritional table. You would see the amount of sugars and calories that are packed in these fruit juices. So instead of these nourishing you, what they do is they make you gain weight. Most of these fruit juices and smoothies claim to have health benefits. These really sabotage your results. So if you're the type of person who takes loads of fruit juices thinking you're making healthy options, it's better you eat nutrient dense food, or you drink homemade fruit juices, or eat your fruits whole. That way it's more beneficial. You don't have to take in all those excess sugars and excess calories these companies pour into the packs and sell to us. You should also ease off on alcohol consumption, because alcohol is a big saboteur towards our weight loss. So another reason why you may not be seeing results is that you're breaking your fast with junk food. Junk food is filled with loads of calories and it doesn't really have much nutritional content. So, and another thing with junk food is that you won't be full for long. That way you would want to eat not long after you've eaten, because you're not satisfied. And what does this mean? This means that you will consume more calories. So the best approach is to eat nutrient dense food, to break your fast with nutrient dense food, eating food that is rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins and minerals. This could be your porridge oats, milk, eggs, avocado toasts, avocados, you name it. There are loads of nutritional things that we can break our fast with. So we need to stay off junk food to keep the weight off, to see results while we're intermittent fasting. So my final reason why you may not be seeing results is that you're obsessing over numbers. What I mean by this is that you're always checking your weight on the scale, and perhaps sometimes this scale doesn't even move and then you get discouraged. Sometimes you just give up, or you want to give up. If the scale is doing that, there are other ways to check if you're improving. It could be by the way your clothes fit. Obviously you know how your clothes fit. If they're getting loose, then you know you're doing the right thing. And then you can even use a measuring tape to measure yourself, to see your progress. But it's not by measuring every day, just maybe once in a week. Then you just record it. Your measurement could be reducing by inches, but on the scale the numbers are not moving. It doesn't mean that you're not doing well. That's why you shouldn't depend on the scale. And then you can also take pictures and then compare as time goes by, like your progress pictures. And then you have to be very patient with this as well. You can't just start intermittent fasting and then think that, ooh, you would, lose the weight in a twinkle of an eye. You would make mistakes here and there, and then you will learn. And so finally, guys, please don't be discouraged if you're not seeing results. Just be patient, go back to the drawing board, and then see what you're doing wrong and get it right. And remember why you started in the first place. Be determined, be persistent. You'll see results eventually and you feel good. So that has to be it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you're doing intermittent fasting, or if you're encountering any kind of issues while you're intermittent fasting, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm happy to support you. And yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, guys.